Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play VRChat on Mac. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So to do so, you simply have to have the access on BlueStack. Go ahead, first download the BlueStack on. Once you can do that, you can see the about the games and the game feature are mentioned below right over here to check out further for the PC and the Mac. And if you would like to simply start playing it, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead, scroll down to check out the steps. Once you have installed the BlueStack on your Mac, what you're going to do is you're going to complete your Google sign in to access the Play Store if you haven't. Once you have done that, you're simply going to go ahead and look for a VRChat in the search bar. Then you're going to install the VRChat right afterwards. Once you're done signing in to install the VRChat, then the VRChat icon to the home screen to start playing. Once you have tapped on it, it will start playing and there is no further requirements to do so. You can just go through the how to play section, go ahead, tap on it and check out how you can play the game itself on Mac. And that is basically it. So make sure to download it, and that is how you can do it. Make sure you have Windows 10 or 11 to support it, and then that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.